I'm Prashant Nagre, CEO for Fermenta Biotech Limited. We primarily are into manufacturing APIs. One of the most important APIs is vitamin D3. Um, Vitamin D3 is so important today in India, in our perspective, where there is a lot of sun. The reason is that in various surveys done at the central level in various states, it has been found that 90% Indians are deficient in vitamin D3. This runs across different age groups, sex, urban, rural divide, and it is just important therefore that you have to protect this 90% because the signs of and symptoms of vitamin D3 deficiency are now very exactly identified at the clinical level, and those are like fatigue, weak bones, osteoporosis, increase susceptibility to infectious diseases, which because of the conditions that we live in is a very important aspect for health. And the last but not least is also the increased incidence of diabetes, which is also triggered because of low levels of vitamin D3. How is vitamin D3 synthesized? Our body is naturally capable of producing vitamin D3 when the sunlight falls on it. What happens after the sunlight falls? Under your skin, when exposed to the ultraviolet B rays, it gets converted to vitamin D3, which is the way. So, vitamin D3, when it goes into the body, gets metabolized at two levels into a. So, vitamin D3 is a provitamin. It gets into the body, gets converted into a vitamin, which is a hormone, after two passes through the liver and kidney, and then leads to help in absorption for calcium. Uh, we uh, we have currently two manufacturing locations across India. One is in the north, which is in Kulu Manali, in Kulu, which is north of Delhi. And the second one is a coastal area, which is about 4 hours from Mumbai, in the industrial state of Gujarat, in a special economic zone, which is completely export oriented. We as a company have tied up with Vitamin Angels, NGO based out of the West Coast. And this NGO, we were very attracted to the work that they carry on. Vitamin Angels runs on a concept that there are so many unprivileged children across the world who are actually not hungry, but they are deficient, and that is called as hidden hunger, which means that vitamin A, for example, if vitamin A is deficient, the children are they can turn into blind. The eye care requires vitamin A. The doses are too small. Two intervention in a year can actually prevent blindness in children. And blindness in India, in that group of below 5, is a major health concern today. In spite of our growth and the ambitious goals that we have taken on many immunization schemes and all. So Vitamin Angels gets a lot of money across in terms of funds, and then they utilize that for all the unprivileged children through a network of health care professionals and NGOs across the world to deliver this vitamin dosage right to the children through the entire system. So they take care of the transit for that vitamin because these are very susceptible to the environment and their stability. And once these vitamins are taken into the places, they are administered to the children twice in a year, which is sufficient for them to prevent blindness in the children. So we contribute to them. We promote them in different forums in order to make sure that their purpose is carried to the larger audience. Uh, Sustainability goals for Fermenta is extremely important. Both our plants have complete environment protection systems in place, online monitoring of the effluent parameters that are there. Health and safety of our employees is of paramount importance to us, which is taken care of through regular audits and the other systems that are put in place. And most important is that we believe in a very energy efficient system So the footprint on energy, every year a target is taken where you reduce the footprint of energy for the next year's production compared to the previous year.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nagre, for your time.